Hi, welcome to this week's Champions Corner. This past week, Nick Taylor won his 5th PGA Tour event, winning the Sony Open in Hawaii at Waialae Country Club. Nick had a couple of great shots that I think can help you with your game if you understand how to hit them. So the first shot Nick hit that I think can help you with your game was the chip shot that he holed for an Eagle 3 on the 18th hole to get in the playoff that he eventually won. The rough at Waialae was definitely a lot more green than this is, as we're still dormant here in Charlotte. But what I want you to think about, many of you struggle with this shot for two reasons. You take a club that has too much loft. What Nick was using was probably a gap wedge. I've got a 52-degree gap wedge here in this case, because you want this ball lower and more running. I don't want to carry it all the way to the hole. So many of you will just go grab your 60-degree, try to put the ball up into the air, and if it does get in the air, you're going to be way short. What you want to do, a couple of things with your setup. All tour players, when they're hitting chip shots, never chip with their feet any farther apart than about a club head width. You don't want a wide stance when you're hitting a chip shot. You want to be very narrow. The ball position is going to be dead center. Don't play it back. When you play it back, you destroy how the club's designed. Now that leading edge is going to dig into the ground. So what you want, club head width apart with the feet, dead center with the ball position. Now here's the trick. You want to feel like you hit down on these chips. If you'll watch how Nick hit that shot, his right wrist hinged slightly as he took the club back. That gets the club going up, so now we can strike down on it. And then what Nick did is it's again that same sound that we've talked about in the past of just striking. So I'm going to set up. I'm going to pick a landing area. And when I say landing area, I don't mean a landing spot. So don't get too, it can be a 4-foot wide area that I'm looking at, and then I want to allow the ball just to roll the hole. So I'm trying to look at where I want the ball to land, and then I'm just going to allow it to roll down to the hole. All right, so Nick obviously holed his. Mine's just a little short, but that's the idea. That's how you hit this little chip shot. Many of you have this shot very often on the golf course. Again, keep your feet very close together, no more than a club head width. The ball centered, don't play it back. And the trick is allowing that right wrist to hinge, and you want to thump down on the ball. You want to make a sound much like you're striking a match, and those chip shots will get much closer. So that's what Nick did to hold the shot in regulation. Now let's go talk about that shot that he hit in the second playoff hole that really got him the victory, that he hit within a couple of feet to seal it. All right, so on the second playoff hole in Nick Taylor's victory in the Sony Open this past weekend at Waialae, he came up short on his second shot on the par 5. But he hit a great pitch shot, and many of you struggle with this pitch shot. It's about 40 yards. Some of you may have that if you've hit a pretty bad shot on your second shot on par 4s, or if you've come up just short on a par 5. This shot is not difficult if you do a couple of things. The first thing, you don't want a wide stance. What most players do is their stance is too wide. You want to be more narrow here. Second thing is don't play the ball back, because you'll stick the club in the ground. You want the ball very centered in your stance. And then what it's about is allowing that club to make a sound much like you're striking a match. And you want to accelerate through. Now that's one of the few times I will use the word acceleration, but you definitely want to make sure that club is moving through the ball at a pretty good rate of speed. And that's how easy it is to hit those little shots. Again, you want to make sure that you're striking the match. Don't ease into it. Don't slow down coming into it. Make sure that club head's moving through the shot, and these pitch shots are going to be much easier. So again, try that shot. It'll help you out as you get into the spring season. We'll see you next week as the PGA Tour heads to the West Coast. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you soon.